Hi everyone, it's Veronica and I am here with another episode of Kit and Kaboodle Krafting. This is a series where I was challenging myself to pull out the kits that I had in my stash and create with them. Some of the kits were purchased a long time ago and some were recent. But at any rate, I needed to use them. I have actually to date done 10 episodes where I have created with kits. So here I am going to show you what the box of kits looked like before I began and what it is looking like currently. Okay, so what I am doing today is not creating anything new. I did not create anything new because at this point I'm going to end the episode because my focus needs to be shifted elsewhere. But what I wanted to do is recap everything that I have created since I started this series. They are in no particular order. I'm just going to share with you everything that I have created. Okay, so this was a Pink and Main kit that I just absolutely love. That was the very first kit that she was offering. And it had to do with partying and celebration. So you see I did a little bag. I did a gift tag, some embellishments, and some bag toppers. And this was actually like a special edition because I had papers and things left over that I wanted to use. So that was like a special edition that was not counted in the 10. I did a gift box. Here's a little treat box. And these are some of the other tags that are stuck down in here. And these were all of the cards from the kit. And I followed Christy Marcotte in doing this. And I have used a couple of the cards. So it's great to already have these things in your stash. These are some of the prettiest cards. That paper, it's just the paper really. It's really the paper. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I think you can still buy this paper without, the kit is no longer being offered, but you can buy the paper separately. Okay, so those were the cards created, and that's a lot of cards. All right, so that was that kit. I had a kit that was using Copics and created some cards with those. And I've used one of those cards. All right, and then I did, and I say and then, but again, this is in no particular order, this house mini album. Makes for a nice housewarming gift. And this was the waterfall in the back. I had a kit that I could make Christmas cards with. And that is what the finished card looks like. If you remember, I did not finish the remainder of them because I wanted to see if the adhesive that I'm using on this paper is going to be the better adhesive to use. And so far so good. I don't remember when I did this one, but I'm not seeing anything under here. So that was the stack of cards made with that kit. Just recently I did the stationery flip box, and this was using a kit that I purchased from Tamika. So there that is, and there were cards in here that I did. Okay, so that was done. These were cards that were created with a kit that I purchased from a stamp show. And I have used some of these. I sent them to a friend. But absolutely love that glitter film. Those turned out really cute. I did another mini. This was the birdhouse. Or bird cage rather, not birdhouse, bird cage. That I think turned out absolutely adorable. And this mini was actually the very first creation that I did. I'm getting a shadow for some reason. Okay. So this was the first one. This was a paper bag mini. Which turned out cute, and each pocket has a tag in it. I also did this Mickey album that came from Pinecone Press. I bought this at one of the scrapbook expos. Love, love, love it. All right. And I also did some cards and some Post-it note holders, which used the Simon Says stamp kit. All right, and these are the cards that were created using that kit. So that should be 10. Let me do my count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. That is it. So this was awesome. I am so glad that I did this. Got a lot of things out of my stash. And a lot of things created that I will certainly be using. And that is that. So again, I'm just going to, I may pick it up again later to get back to the other kits that I have left over. But for right now, I made great strides in creating with these kits, and I am so glad. And I'm also happy that you followed along with me to see what I could do with these kits. I appreciate all of your comments. I appreciate your views, even if you didn't comment. And I appreciate you following me. Thank you to all of my new subscribers and all of my returning subscribers. You are truly, truly appreciated. All right, everyone. Happy crafting. Oops, I forgot to say a big, big thank you to Lucretia, who is Fun Creations, Lady Cree, to Faye, who is Relax and Scrap, and also to Kim, who is Kim Post, for participating in my series. It was much appreciated. Thank you all again for watching. Happy crafting.